Hi, I'm Jeff Pirro, Application Specialist for CAT Command.
And I'm Carter Gibbons, Product Demonstrator Instructor for Caterpillar.
So what we're demonstrating today is the ability to run work tools using CAT Command. So we have the 320 excavator from the command station running a hammer. So we talk about keeping operators safe, and the primary function of this is Carter's at no risk of flying debris. He's well away from the machine. He's also comfortable. There's no noise or vibration. He has the sound coming through the speakers, but that's controlled. So again, he has his cameras on the machine, so it's low risk to him. We start looking at the machine itself. At this point now, we could actually put vandal guards and cover all the glass on the machine, protecting the asset from flying debris. So we're showing this with a hammer, and we have on the right-hand joystick, Carter's got his toggle switch, so it's very low effort controls. Again, low fatigue, he's still able to be productive at what he's doing. So it's not just hammers, we could run shears, multiprocessors, pulverizers, any of the different work tools that will fit on this excavator from the station. For more information on CAT Command or attachments, contact your local CAT dealer.